Hey, welcome to the channel. We're Amy and Richard. In 2019, we sold everything, left our jobs in Iowa, and took a huge leap of faith to move to Northwest Arkansas. We now live in a log cabin in the woods right outside the Ozark National Forest. We have a huge passion for exploring Arkansas. This channel started off as documenting our home videos. Now we just love sharing our off-roading adventures with y'all. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for extra content and notifications of our latest videos. So come along and watch what happens in this week's episode. It's always an adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Later. What the heck? You see that, Juicy?
I see that.
There's a cow in the creek.
There's almost a second one too.
Almost only counts in
horseshoes and cow grenades. It's a cute little creek.
Yeah. Well, what are you doing?
Riding.
Going crazy?
Going crazy.
Crazier. What?
We're headed down to Mill Creek Outfitters for a group ride.
Cut! You almost said Mulberry Mountain. What the hell? Okay. So, may the 4th be with you.
No.
What?
Cut.
What?
I'm supposed to say, oh, it's May 4th. I'll be like, may the 4th be with us today.
Okay. Whoa, cute creek. All right. Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday, May 4th.
May the 4th be with us today.
Heck yeah. Luke, I am your father. All right, yeah.
We're heading down to Mill Creek Outfitters for a meet and greet ride today. Went down last night for a little bit and sat by the campfire. Didn't quite get the campfire going because it was a little wet, but
yeah,
we still had a good time just hanging out.
Yeah, that's pretty fun.
But
how many buggies do you think are going to be there today?
No clue.
So there's going to be a few different groups going out, right?
Yeah, I think we're going to split like 3 groups.
3 different groups.
I'm going to lead one, Lee's going to lead another, and I think Silas is going to lead a small, well, hopefully a smaller group, he said, and do like a shorter day because he's got to get back and get things ready for tonight's event. So
cool.
Should be a good time.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Oh yeah. I forgot what I was going to say. Where are we going?
I'm going to go down towards the old rock house. Probably cut up to the little waterfall.
Where's the rock house?
Rock house is right on the edge of the Mill Creek Lulu.
Oh, okay, cool.
And we'll probably shoot up the hill from there, hit the pipeline, hit Fly Gap, head on over to East Fly Gap, and end up down toward 60-foot falls.
Oh, cool. Well, we do have the weather factor for us today.
Yes, right now looks great.
Yeah.
But supposed to be heavy stuff coming in about noonish.
Thunderstorms. Thunderstorms. May the 4th be with us.
May the 4th be with us.
Anyway, guys, so stay tuned. See if we die or if we fly or what the heck's gonna happen. Who knows? We might be going up into space, having some Star Wars and stuff.
No kidding. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Later. All right, we're coming up on Mill Creek Outfitters here. We got the buggy stacking up here at Mill Creek Outfitters. Right. Getting ready to take off. Now y'all don't cause no trouble today, right? I don't want to be hearing about you on the internet, okay? Have fun. You too. Alright, they're fixing to head out. I think your show or your shirt is fitting for the show today.
Are they going with us? Or?
No, they're going with Silas.
Okay, so we're gonna end up with a small group.
Well, that was cool. You know what's gonna Group number 1.
The Frog Bayou group. May the 4th be with you! Bye! Have fun! Bye! Have fun at school! Mill Creek Waterfall.
Yes. I think I'll probably stop up there and let everybody look.
Yeah.
I don't know who's seen it or hasn't seen it.
I don't either, so might as well. We're here. The smaller group, so it's gonna be more. Do you know how many we have?
I think I counted 10.
10? Oh, that's not bad. That's a great size group, actually.
Yeah.
I think we added one at the end, so maybe 11.
Yeah, or maybe it was 9 and 10.
Oh, okay.
I probably need to get a better.
Yeah, there's some nice water flow.
They stacked some rocks up in there.
Yeah, they did. We had some good water in the creeks today. Might be spicy going down to 60 foot.
It might be.
We have our first little obstacle here. Just tying a little tree down. Never fear, someone brought a saw. No big deal. Look at us cleaning up trails on the way to the ride. Such a good citizen.
I try.
Good job, Juicy.
My community service.
Yeah. You can forego that $3 today, okay?
There we go.
Alright, so coming up on this trail will be a trail waterfall. Alright, this is our first stop here at the waterfall. It's going pretty good. So 60 foot should be going really good. So stay tuned. See if we make it. I think we'll do just fine. Be a little bit juicy, but that's okay. Mountain Falls.
Howard Mountain Falls.
Howard Mountain Falls. Here we go.
Here we go.
Be nice and juicy. Fun to climb.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Should be interesting.
Scared?
I like this. Gosh.
Heck yeah.
That ain't nothing yet.
Not yet.
Where's McDouglas back there? There he comes.
Got the Danger Ranger back there behind us.
Yep. Quite the mix of buggies this time.
Yeah, man. All shapes and sizes.
Yep.
The Armax looks like the Batmobile. Did you see how
I've seen the little doors come up.
That's freaking awesome. I like that. It's the Batmobile.
Yeah. It'd be better than gotta fight trying to
Yeah,
open
you
it.
have to unzip it. It's like gonna be a cute little climb. Wow. Hopefully everyone's support. So around mile marker 14, it gets a little spicy here, but it looks like everyone's making it. We got this.
Everyone good back there?
Like, I'm not trying to do this for me, but not. Going up this or down it?
I like going up it.
It's kind of fun. Ooh, that didn't sound good.
I might have hit the skid plate.
Is that what that was?
Oh,
She good. Nothing's knocking, so we're good.
check it real quick.
Trail conditions today are slick. We definitely need the force. Thank goodness it's May 4th. They're coming. Well, not everyone made it yet up this hill. It's a little bit juicy. Well, we're about 5 miles in, and Juicy almost killed everybody. Did you almost just fall too? Is it slick?
Slick right there, I guess. I don't know why nobody can make it up here. What I say?
Please repeat.
I think we're ready to move.
Alrighty. They're ready, Juicy. Alright, we're on the move again.
Hopefully I'm on it.
Yep. yourself.
Yeah.
Some of them will eat your buggy up.
Really got wallowed out for sure.
Yeah. Dang. We got the fans going if you hear that sound. A little stagnant.
In here.
Yeah, a little stagnant up in the hair.
Hopefully this one's still good.
All this bumping.
Is there more? Three behind. Okay. We got 9.
Okay.
Y'all have fun.
Yeah, you
Be
too.
safe.
Enjoy Arkansas.
I bet they had a hell of a time doing up this.
Ooh, look at that. juicy down here.
Yeah, it's been a long while.
Yeah.
Last 2-3 times it came down, it was pretty dry.
Very, very stinking dry. Think they're having fun getting the ATV Amy trail experience? just went up to the 60-foot fall. Hopefully Juicy got some good video. He was in charge of the camera. Had a little lunch break, and now we're gonna continue on with the ride. Stay tuned to see what happens. We're doing good so far. No one's broke anything. Everyone's behind us. We're all good. Water's flowing. Beautiful down here. The 60-foot fall was rolling. It was epic. So cool. Sight to see when there's water. I highly recommend making the journey down here when there's been some rains here in Arkansas. Stay tuned. Later. What's up?
Any idea how long we're going to be in this area?
No, is this a trick question?
No, I'm just kind of curious. Do I need to park or are we fixing to leave or that's what, yeah.
Well, big groups rolling through, so we're going to be parked for a second.
Okay, that's what I needed to know.
Hello.
You like the off-camera part up here?
A big old grill. Is it going pretty good today?
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah. Awesome.
I actually watch your videos.
You do?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Appreciate that.
Yeah, I'm like,
That is so cool.
I think everyone just talks.
Yeah, they're piling up over. Come both directions. We got a soft bottom.
Yeah, you jinxed us.
I did. Holy moly, this is what they call a ship show. Oh, it's soft over here. So try to, I don't know. Yeah!
Good!
Yeah. Did you get
think so.
Okay.
I did what you said. I looked through the
Oh, you looked through the viewfinder.
I did. Just like you taught me.
Yeah, Juicy had to go to GoPro 101 school.
I always try and get these low down shots and I can't see what I'm doing. It's dumb. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah, he films everybody's butts and crotches. You do too.
I do.
Yeah.
That's why I'm the driver, not the video.
Yep. True story.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know where we're headed. It is 1:30, so we might hit up another trail probably. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll see what time we get out all the way up the highway. So.
Yeah. So stay tuned. We gotta climb back out of here. And there's mud holes.
Yeah.
Later. Ooh, that was going pretty good.
Choose this way this time.
Oh, okay. Why?
I can't remember.
It's always best to stay on the perimeter of these things. Unless you like mudding. Some of these holes are kind of sketch.
There's slave holes.
Yeah.
Some of them aren't terrible.
Some of them aren't terrible, but you know, if you like cleaning mud, you're good. Little creek down here. Sure. Yeah, a little cascade. Oh, that's cute. the 15003P and all of this. And now we're at 1504 and we're gonna head down to the highway and then hop on a trail to work our way back to St. Paul. It's a pretty long haul right there. We might do this little guy right there and get these guys back to Mill Creek Outfitters. They got a party to go to tonight, so stay tuned, see how it goes. That's pretty fun, huh?
Challenging.
Yeah.
Very challenging.
Yeah, what goes down must come right up.
Good boating? Good boating today?
Bridge on Mulberry. Look at this guy. He's sending it on the river. Let's see what he does. Now he's standing up. He has a little dog on his boat. YouTube, play the game. Yeah, I'm gonna send it. He said, no.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit that tree. That one's about to fall. GC? What do you think of that ride today?
Funny.
What do you think of that ride today?
Oh, I had a good time.
Wow, this scenery makes you look good.
No, right? No, I had a good time today.
Yeah, I think everyone had fun.
Good group.
Yeah, we did the meet and greet. We met a lot of fans.
Yes.
So that was pretty cool.
We just split the group and some went with one way, and we took a group and had a good time.
Yeah, I think everyone had fun. We didn't have any crazy mishaps on our ride.
No, everybody kept up really well, and I was really,
all smiles.
all smiles, yeah.
Got to see some cool waterfalls.
Yep, some of it they've never seen before, so that's nice.
Yeah, we like sharing Arkansas with all of our friends.
Absolutely.
So they got to watch us on TV and then come do it in real life.
Yeah.
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Now we got to head home and kick the dogs.
Cruise down to Wesley real quick and get some gas because I'm about out, and head home and relax.
Yep.
Call it a day.
Yeah, man. What do you think? Or what do you say?
Always an adventure.
Yeah, that works.
What else?
Later. Thanks for watching. We
Yes.
appreciate y'all. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention earlier at all, we will have this ride on the Patreon if you would like all the waypoints and the waterfalls, and the Gaia will take you turn by turn.
Yep,
and you can repeat the entire ride that we did today.
Yep.
So go find us if you're interested, and if not, that's cool.
Yep.
You can go get lost.
Yes.
Yeah. So that came out weird.
That did come out weird, but you can cut that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that out. Anyway, yeah. So thanks for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.
Later. Bye.
Bye.
You can get lost.
You can get lost.
You can get lost.
You can get lost.
No Chick-fil-A sauce?
No Chick-fil-A sauce. This is cute. This is just a little road we take to go down to the store. Just going to the store.
Oh, remember, you can get lost.
That did not come out right.
No shit.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.